Guys, this is New Positivity TV. See this guy? He's over here doing some work. What do you think of this? He's doing some work here. But he's parked in the Handicap. See? So what do you think of that? Should he be able to park here just to do work, or should that be vacant for handicapped people? New Positivity TV. Appreciate you guys taking time to watch the video. You know you could be watching other channels and you choose to watch ours. Hey guys, you guys are parked in the Handicap?
What happened?
You guys are parked in the Handicap
Yeah, that's okay.
to do this kind of work?
Well, for right now, yeah. I need to get some equipment back and forth, and I was walking back and forth getting stuff in my truck.
Yeah, that's illegal though. It's a $400. It's a guy coming through here giving tickets for that. So if I was you, I'd be careful with that because,
Move the truck before the actual look.
yeah, I seen him giving a ticket the other day.
Thank you.
Yeah, because these handicap signs, man, they're there for a reason. If you park there, it's a hefty fine for. I don't know if they'll charge you or they'll.
Most likely it'll be me.
Oh man, that's a day's work probably, you know. Yeah, guys, these guys gonna move it because they didn't know. They thought they could do it,
Yeah.
so they gonna move it out.
Carlos, hey, park right there.
Yeah, I watched the traffic for dude where he can get out. He's gonna just pull over here in this spot right next to it, and he's all good, you know. Save this for somebody that needs it, you know. That's all we doing, guys. Just letting the people know. We want positivity. This is positivity. Now somebody here can park here. It's all good. Right on, man. Have a good one.
Yeah, you too, man.
All right.
Good one.
Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. New Positivity TV.